Welcome back students. Now move on to the next question. Question number 8. Verify A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B for the following values of A and B. So here 4 questions are there. I will solve only 2 questions and remaining 2 questions you will do by yourself. So see the questions. The values of first question in which A is equal to 21, B is equal to 18. So this part is your LHS and this part is your RHS, and we have to prove that for this both the values A is equal to 21 and B is equal to 18, this will be fulfilled, that is LHS is equal to RHS. So let's see. First A minus of minus B we will take. A you have to keep the value 21 minus this one minus 18. Now you have to solve this. This minus becomes plus, because in this number you are subtracting negative sign, means you are adding something. So minus plus 18. So what is the answer? 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 39. So our LHS is equal to 39. Now we will see RHS. A plus B, which is equal to 21 plus 18, which is equal to 39. So what we can say, LHS is equal to RHS. Why we are solving this? So that you can understand whenever you have such kind of notation, two subtraction, one is outside the bracket, one is inside the bracket, it becomes always positive. So whenever you see A minus of minus B, it means A plus B. This minus becomes plus. So through this we can judge that, we can say that, or we can represent that A minus of minus B is always A plus B. Go to the next question. So here it is the LHS A minus of minus B, which is equal to 118 minus of minus 125, which is equal to this minus becomes plus 8 5 13. 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 1 is 243 is the answer, and RHS A plus B is equal to 118 plus 125, which is equal to 243. So what we can say, LHS is equal to RHS. So this way we can solve the questions. Okay, 2 questions I have solved, remaining 2 questions try to do by yourself. So ultimately we are proving that A minus of minus B is always equal to A plus B. So this is all about your question number 8. Now see the 10th question as 9th question you will do by yourself as a homework. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. So that steps I have mentioned like number line. Okay, on number line I have mentioned the steps. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 9 steps are there. How many jumps monkey did to reach from first level to the water level? So that we have to find how many jumps. So he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up, means 3 steps forward and 2 steps backward. Then again 3 steps forward, 2 steps backward. Ultimately he is taking only 1 step ahead. Okay, if you keep on doing jump, back jump, if you count like that, only every time monkey moves only 1 jump. Okay, after drinking, the question is, in how many jumps will he reach the water level? So that is your first question. So that we will start solving first. So first the monkey was here. The monkey is here. So now 3 steps down means 3 steps forward. So 1 step, second step and 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So 3 steps down. So monkey reaches over here. That is your first jump. You have to count the jump also. In first jump, monkey reached from first to the fourth jump. Now 2 steps backward. So from here 2 step backward. So 1, 2. So from here second jump is 2 steps backward. So this is your second jump. Now where is monkey? At the second level. Again from here he jumps 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So it brings at 5 steps. So this is your third jump. From here 2 steps backward. So at 3. So this is your fourth jump. Now where is monkey? On the third step. From here again 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So this is your fifth jump. Now from here 2 steps backward. So 1, 2. So it reaches over here. 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. So this is your sixth jump. Now monkey is over here at 4 steps. Again 3 jumps. So it reaches at the 7 steps. So this is your 7th jump. From 7 2 step backwards. So at 5th. So this is your 8th jump. From here again 3 jump. So 9th step. From here 2 step back. So at 6. So this is 10th jump. From 6 3 steps again. So now this is your water level. So this how many jumps included? So after 11 jump, monkey reaches to the water level. So this way we can count. We start from the first step. Count the 3 jumps. Count the 3 steps for each jump. Downward jump and 2 backward. Okay, so this way every time it just shifted only one steps. You can observe from the diagram. So this way we can solve and say that after 11 jump, monkey can reach the water level. Okay, now what is the second question? After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. In every move means 4 steps forward, 2 steps backward. So in how many jumps will he reach back to the top step? So now we have to move from here. From here 4 jumps forward and 2 jumps backward. Then we will see how many jumps needed. So let's see how to solve this question. So for this also we have to draw the same diagram. Let's see how to solve this. Now what is 4 and 2? Sorry. He jumps 4 steps down, 2 steps back. So this is a 9th step. 8, 7, 6, 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd and 1st. Now monkey is here. So we have to count 4 jump forward. So first 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 steps down. So in first jump monkey reach to the which steps? 5th step. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step and 4 step. After 4 steps in the first jump monkey reaches over here on the 5th steps. Now what is the question? 2 steps back up. So from here 1 step, 2 steps. Monkey reach at the 7th step. So first step jump. And this is your second step. Now what is the position of monkey? On 7. Now 4 step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it reach over here at the 3rd step. This is your 3rd jump. Now from here 2 steps backward. 2 steps backward. So first step, second step. This is your 4th jump. Now where is the position of monkey? On the 5th step. Now from here 1, 2, 3, So fourth and fifth jump. So after fifth jump, monkey can reach at the first level. So this way we can solve this question. Okay, part second. Move on to the third part. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers represent his moves in part 1 and 2 by completing the following. A. Let's see what equations we are getting from this. Again I am reading the questions. In the first question we have completed the task after 11 jumps. Okay, the question is, when you move down, that integer is represented by negative sign, and when you move up, that integer is represented by positive sign. Then okay. So in the first question what we did, total 11 jumps we did, monkey does. In that 3 jumps down. That's why we have represented that with negative sign. When you move downwards, you have to represent with negative integers, that is mentioned in the question. And you move backward, back up, that is represented by 2. So when you move inside, so your first one is -3. So wherever 3 steps down, that represented with -2. So in 11 jumps, how many 3 repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 repeated, that is 6 3 the 18, -18. And how many times 2 repeated? 10 times. So this is plus 10. So -8 is given, means this -8 represents that we are moving downward steps. How many steps? 8 steps. Now here you are now moving up steps. अब आप पानी पीने के बाद मंकी ऊपर आ रहा है, so it comes out. So 4 steps move up, 2 steps move down. So when we move up, that we represent with positive sign. Move down, it represent negative sign. So how many jumps? 5 jumps total. So 1 time 4, 1 time 2. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times repeated. This is 12 and 2 repeated 2 times. Minus 4. So what is the answer? 8. So this plus 8, what it represents? That monkey is moving in the upward direction. So what will be the sum? 8 in B represent? That -8 represents going down by 8 steps and plus 8 represents going up. Okay, going up by 8 steps. So this is the answer. जितने स्टेप्स आप नीचे जाओगे उतने ही स्टेप्स आपको वापस ऊपर चढ़ने भी पड़ेंगे. So that's why if a monkey takes 8 steps down to reach at the water level, the same step it takes to come up. Okay, when monkey goes down, so that will represent with negative sign, and when monkey comes up, that will represent with the positive integer. So this is the meaning of questions. So here your exercise 1.1 is completed. Any query you can ask me. Thank you.